Hello everyone. So in our last videos we have discussed about application to data link layer. Like we have discussed each and everything of software layers, transport layer and two hardware layers. And one of the most important layer of our network is known as physical layer. So let's discuss about physical layer because at transport layer data comes with segment, at network layer data comes with packet, at data link layer comes with frames, and at data link layer device is used with switch. Now what is physical layer and why this is known as physical word is used in this layer? So physical layer is actually responsible for electrical, mechanical, procedural check. Actually, computer is an electronics device. So this is my interface. So computer is an electronics device which works on binary language or machine language. So data is converted into 0 and 1. Data will be in the form of electrical pulses if it is coaxial, twisted pair cable, in the form of light fiber optics cables. Everything, every cable, repeater, modem is working on physical layer. So physical layer is basically sending data from one port to another port with the help of bits only. Like frame is coming with physical layer, so data is sending with 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So physical layer is your first layer of your network. Okay, so after physical layer all layers are complete. So we need to check data comes at physical layer with bits. Now how our data come from application to physical, we need to know about it. We have done with this, but physical to application, how it will be de-encapsulated. So let's check the concept of data encapsulation and de-encapsulation. So physical layer data is working with bits, modem, repeater and hubs are used on this. So now the concept of data encapsulation and de-encapsulation. Okay, so the concept we have started from layer 7 to layer 1. We have discussed data from application to presentation and then session. When it comes to transport layer, then header is attached, it will become segment. When it is attached with the network layer, it becomes with packet. And after that, header and trailer attached from data link layer, it becomes frames and then bits. Now at de-encapsulation phase, bits is directly go to data link layer, but at there frames are used. Now when it is going to de-encapsulate, now headers are removed and packet is there. Packets header is removed, then segment is there, and segments header is removed, data is there. So this is the encapsulation and de-encapsulation process. So this is all about layer 7 to layer 1. So this is all about application layer to physical and physical layer to application. In our next video, we will comparison what is OSI model and TCP/IP models, what are the same things and what are the different things used in both the models. Thank you so much.